Nice of you to join me. I have a walkthrough video for you today of quite a biggish album for me, and this will be a tutorial in the next coming days. I like to make one up so that I can show you, and then we can make one together. So let me just get a bit of housekeeping out of the way. If you are not a subscriber, then please subscribe. It really helps if you do subscribe, and if you do hit the notification bell, you'll get notifications into your inbox every time I upload a video so that you don't miss anything. I'm also on all the social medias, and the links will be down below. Okay, let's get into the album. So this album is an 8x8 album using the Lady Vagabond by Stamperia. I love this paper pad. It has to be one of my favourites, I have to say. It's just so diverse and yummy. There's so many elements in it as well. It was really hard to cut into, but if you love paper like I do, you'll know what I mean by that. But cut into it I did, and I'm really pleased with the results of the book. So the front cover, I've just used one of the cut parts to put on the front. Well, I say cut apart, it's not really a cut apart, it's just a frame that I've put on the front, and I've highlighted the little cat here as well. But what I'm going to do, I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to use some glossy accents on the glasses and maybe some onto the window pane, but I didn't want to do it just yet because obviously I don't want to smudge it. So that's what I will be adding. So going on to the first page, when we open the book, this is a new thing for me. I've not done one of these. I saw this on CoolKatzCrafts YouTube channel, and I loved it, so I thought I'd give it a go myself, and I'm going to incorporate this a lot more into my own memory books mini albums, because I really loved it. So it's just like a lattice work, so like, you know, like the notice boards that you can get made of fabric. It's similar to that. So moving on to page 2, this is an interactive page. I quite like these pages. So I've got on the front here, I've got some acetate, and then this pulls out so that you can put your photographs in, and then I've added some photo corners from the punch so that you can just put in a photograph. So then down here I've got a little tab that you can pull up. So you pull that up and open out, so you've got a flap there with another pocket here with some more photo mats, so you can put your photos in again into the little slots there, and then they slot in and then hold your picture in place like so. Okay, but obviously you'd use a bigger one, but we'll take that out and put that one back in there. And then this one, this comes out as well just at the top. I thought that was quite a nice little addition, and then you've got some space here to either put some more journaling or another photograph if you so wish. And then I've just used a border punch on the pocket here, and this die here is I think it's Elizabeth Crafts. I think it's one of their dies. So closing it up, just in the top there I've just put a tag, so just to add a bit more, and then we pull this tab open here, and then we can open out, and then we've got more space here with another pocket to put extra photos and bits and bobs like that. And then this is left free so that you can stick in extra tab bits in there. Let's take that out. So extra tags in the little slots there. So I'm going to close that up. Okay, on to page 3. So page 3 is very plain. It's quite a plain page, because all I've done is, because I don't want to bulk this album out too much, because in some of the pages I've got quite a lot of flips and flaps on. So this one is just a slot, we're using one of the CoolKatzCrafts dies here to create a little slot to put your tags in, and then I've just left it so that when you take the tag out, that is still a nice page, you know, for you to look at, or you can put some extra photos in. And then on these ones here, again, I've just got the little bits of the pieces of the elements out of the paper, and I've just cut them up, and then you can add little tags and things in there as well. So put that in there. So coming on to page 4, again, this one is quite a plain page, and I've just got a pocket here with a tag. Oh, sorry, not a tag, a photo mat. And then this here is also free, so that you can stick extra bits in there as well if you want to. So, one thing I haven't done and haven't said is in the top here is space for another photo mats in there. I just didn't have time to cut them, but they will fit inside, and then you'll have another photo mat that you can pull out, but they will be included in the tutorial. So moving on to page, what are we, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So page 5. Again, it's quite a plain page. When I say plain, sometimes simple is nice to do. So I've done the pocket upside down, but so that I wanted to use the books. So that's why I've done the pocket there. But once you've stuck these in, at the top here I've put some double-sided tape, and that double-sided tape just grabs the photo mats that you put in. So again, I've just created a book, so that goes in there like so. This here is a CoolKatzCrafts die as well, and any dies and things that I use, I will put a link in the description down below, so that if you want to shop you can do. But I'm not sponsored at all, so yeah, I'm not with anybody. I'm not getting paid for this. This is just all my own work. So this is a CoolKatzCrafts die, and again I've left that open so that you can put in tags. And then this is another CoolKatzCrafts die. This is the Folio Envelope. It's really nice. It's a diddy one, which I love, and I've just put a photo mat inside like that, and stick that in there. And again, a photo mat. This is a 6x4 one, so you can put your pictures on the back, and then that can fit in there like so. And I've also added in the centre of the book, I've just noticed that's not stuck down, I've just added some decorative paper, but I've paper pieced it so that it just flows. I kind of like it where it creates a bit of a picture. So moving on to page 6. Now, I like this page. This again is a very interactive page. So we open the flap, because I've got a flap here like so, and I've paper pieced it so that it looks like it's a continuous piece of paper. And so open the flap, so lots of spaces here to put photographs and things on, and also photographs either side of the flaps. So we've got a pocket in here that we've got, and I've used a punch to give us a decorative edge. More photo mats that go inside like so. And I've added on the top of this, which I haven't done on any of the others, but I will do, is a little metal filigree embellishment that I've just used as a little pull. So then we lift this flap up here, and then we've got some more areas for your photos, and then some more photo mats here with little tuck spots that will go inside like so. So you can just put in extra journaling spaces or whatever you'd like to, really, in there like so. So little tuck spot. Or you can even just put little photographs in there. That looks quite nice, just like that actually. It's always nice to see when you put photographs in what it looks like. And then this is just tucked behind this cut apart here, like so. So closing that all up. Well, I always get that wrong, like so. So moving on to page 7, and I like this page actually. This is quite a nice page. Again, I've used some CoolKatzCrafts dies, and I can't, for the life of me, I can't remember what they're called. But again, I will put the description in the box down below. So I've just used some magnets on the top of these and then just some brads, and then we just can slide them down so they open up. So then this opens, and then this opens, and then I've got another, like a hidden, because you wouldn't even see it, you don't even see it on there, so another hidden tuck spot that goes in there. I haven't, again, some more tags, but I haven't decorated those yet. But again, lots of spaces for you to put some extra bits and pieces. And on the top here, I've just got some bottle cap plastic circles that I've just added on. You probably can't see them. Just added on to the top, just to give it a bit of shine and a bit of dimension there. But if you haven't got these, you could use glossy accents. So moving on to page 8. No, it can't. Yes, it must be page 8. Again, just a pocket page with a belly band here, with that's free, so that you can tuck things in, with a little booklet, and again extra photo mats inside. And then moving on to the page 9, and this must be page 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So page 9. So in page 9, we've got a tuck spot here with a tag, and then I've cut this on a diagonal so that we can open up and open up. We've got a little tuck spot in there with a photo mat, and then we've got a hidden pocket that goes inside there like that, which you can put a few more different pictures in there, and then again more tuck spots for your pictures in there. And then I've just kept them closed with some magnets, so we can put that back on there. So then the last page is exactly the same as the first. I've done that lattice work tuck spot. I don't know what it's called, lattice board, so that you can just put in extra. So if you've got extra photos, you can stick these in like so. You can just tuck your photos in and your bits and pieces, and just behind it, hopefully, come on, like that. And it just gives you like a little notice board look, which I quite love actually. It's a clever idea, so I'm glad I saw that. Thanks, Maggie. I don't know if Maggie invented it. I just saw it on a video and thought it was fantastic, so I thought, oh, I'm going to give that a go. So that then, and then we just come to the back. So if I just turn that over, I didn't paper piece the back, the front cover, so I just had extra pieces left over, so I just did it that way. So that is my Lady Vagabond album, and I'm loving it actually. I'm really loving this book. I can't wait to put my own pictures in there, which is I will do in this one. I'm going to keep this one, I think. So yeah, I'm going to finish it with some glossy accents and bits. So thanks again for watching this very short, well, I say very short video. Watch out for the tutorial for this one, which will be coming very short soon. I'm starting filming tomorrow, so I'm hoping that over the weekend I will get it finished. I may not use the Lady Vagabond. I might use another Stamperia paper. I might even use the Sir Vagabond. I haven't decided yet. So it gives you a chance to look at an album that I might have made using different papers. So again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you if you are. And all the links will be in the description down below. Don't forget to come and say hi on Instagram and Facebook. I also have a group on Facebook called Memories, Papers, Art. Please come and join that. We're a friendly bunch, and it's not just for memory books, it is for anything that is craft related. So yeah, so come and say hi on that. Lovely to hear from you. So again, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.